They asking her the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening?
Hey boos, I'm back, and it has been a long time, probably like a year and a half. A lot has changed since then. I have moved, I have entered a new position into my job, and just so much, y'all. So today we're just going to do a quick, basic cleaning kind of vlog. I love watching these kind of vlogs or just having them on in my background, so I thought I would make one since I was cleaning anyway, and it's a snow day for me. I'm trapped inside, so I might as well just get my place together. As you can see, it's been a little bit of a hot mess, and we're going to tackle that today. It's just going to be a basic cleaning. We're not really going to organize or anything like that, but I'm going to do, a couple wipe downs, putting stuff back where they belong, laundry, dishes, vacuuming, sweeping, mopping. So we'll get into that here soon. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. This was probably one of the easiest kind of videos I've done. There wasn't too much prep going into it, other than I woke up and decided I was going to clean and I was going to film it and see how it happens. And I kind of liked how it came out. So yep, we're going to get started. Stay tuned to see the final product at the end. Things here that I'm gonna show you are reusable ice cubes. I just really like them and I use them a lot, so yeah, I'll try to maybe link them down below or put them in the video, but they're from Amazon and they're just cool reusable ice cubes. Said I wasn't really gonna do any organizing. Well, I'm dancing there, lol. But I said I wasn't gonna do any organizing, but the bottom of my pantry was just really irking me. I'm not really necessarily organizing them, but I'm putting all the extra chip bags into one big bag, and then moving the paper towels and stuff. And I think my cat's food is in there, so I probably need to fill up her automatic feeder, and I'm really just getting the bottom of that a little bit organized just because Like, I really couldn't find, like, I have a lot of drinks and stuff, but I really couldn't find it and all that. So that's a little bit of the organizing I'm doing, but nothing like too fancy and nothing worth, you know, like an actual video about. Okay, so here I'm really just opening up some packages. Y'all, I literally got this Chewy package maybe 2 weeks ago, and I'm just not opening it just because, I don't know, I just haven't been cleaning, as you can see. So I'm really just opening up packages. It just has like her litter and litter liners in it. And I'm gonna move these boxes over here. These boxes have been sitting here for a while. This box I'm putting up now, that box is going to stay because for some reason, that is the only box my cat likes to play with. Like, she makes a whole bed out of it. So I might do like a DIY one day and like put some fur or something in it. I don't know. But she really likes that box, so I'm not gonna throw it away. But everything else, I'm just gonna move the boxes over to the door so that it's easier to take out. Now, I'm not taking them out today or probably anytime soon because, like I said at the beginning, it's a snow day and we're snowed in, and I'm not carrying these in the snow, and the dumpster I'm not walking in the snow. All right, and now we're transitioning into cleaning the more seating and living area. I'm just gonna move my purse around. I try to hang that up by the door. I don't carry it very often because I mostly work. This stuff right here is my gym stuff. I've been on a little gym kick for the last 3 months, so I got a jump rope and some gloves. These are bags that I make for the homeless with like toiletries and necessities and little snacks. And so I'm just putting them in a bigger tote bag so that I could take them to the car, and then like when I drive around and I see a homeless person, I'll give them one. I've been doing that for about 2 years now also. And now I'm just tidying up the little things, the random things. Some of the stuff I don't even know how it got to the living room. I don't remember moving it, but you know, whatever. For me, it's just hard because like I don't always know where to put stuff. I don't have, like, yes, I have this new place and it's much bigger, but I feel like I just have so much stuff and I just don't know how to organize it fully. So I'm still working on that. I'm gonna wash the blankets and do a little dancey dance, as you see. And again, putting the boxes over by the door so that I can crush them and, you know, walk out. That pink thing on the couch, I love that, y'all. That is a lap desk. I'm also going to try and link that in my bio or put a picture of it, or not in my bio, in the description box. Because when I tell you I love this little pink lap desk, when I didn't have a second room for my office, or when I just didn't have when I don't feel like going in the office, that little lap desk is so cool and it's so neat. So I'm just gonna finish sweeping, and I'm gonna vacuum and mop, and yeah, you'll see. I'll probably be back. Alright guys, so here I am just vacuuming. I love this vacuum. I think it's the brand Shark. I'm pretty sure I got it from Target. I can put that below. I really like this vacuum, and people ask me why I vacuum the hardwood floor. Well, one, this vacuum has 2 settings, one for carpet and one for bare floors. And 2, my cat really likes her scratcher, but she likes the cardboard ones that leave little pieces, so they tend to track everywhere. Plus the salt from the outside and the snow and everything. So I like to vacuum my hardwood floor. It's just easier than sweeping the whole time. I did sweep earlier. That was all to just get it in a pile, but if it's not too much, I usually just vacuum it. So that's what I'm gonna do here, and fill up her water, and then also I will mop after. Alright, so here you guys see me Swiffering or mopping the floor. I have not found a great technique for this, simply because like you're not, supposed to walk on the part you just mopped, but I just haven't found a good strategy for it. But I'll get there. Regardless, I'm doing it and it's clean. I really want to get a new mop. I've really been craving and thinking about getting I think it's the O-Cedar mop that's like this, but it's like with a microfiber cloth, and you don't have to buy a special cleaner for it. You can just pour whatever cleaner you want into the bottle and then spray it, and then, because Swiffer makes you buy the specific bottle, which is fine. I do have it and I like it, but I'm thinking about getting the O-Cedar. Once I run out of the mop pads, I'll probably switch to O-Cedar. So I'm just gonna finish mopping, put her water and such back, and then just tidy up, and I'll be back soon. Okay, y'all, and so here I kind of just got the random urge to wash my couch cover. I don't think I've washed it probably in a while, so I was like, I probably should. Plus, it had like cat fur on it and crumbs from the vacuum that I didn't really do with the vacuum, so I'm just gonna wash that, and then I'm gonna come back and vacuum the couch that had some leftover cat hair. She's gonna probably get on the couch and put more cat hair on it, but that's okay. I'm gonna vacuum it away, and then once I'm done with that, I'll come back and show you the final touches. Product. Again, it was just a basic cleaning, nothing too much, not too much organizing. The boxes by the door, I'm gonna take those out to the dumpster on my way out the next time I go. And I still have that counter to do, as you can see, but everything else is pretty much all tidied up and spruced, at least enough for me that I feel that I can show somebody if they came over. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this. Let me know if you want to see something more like this. Bye.